Hello everyone, welcome back to Bigger Than Race. I'm your host, Brando Murphy. Today we're diving into the exciting world of AI agents and personal intelligence models. Buckle up, because this is going to change the way we think about artificial intelligence. Now, I want you to imagine a world where each of us has our own personal AI. Not just a digital assistant, but a true intelligence model tailored to you. That's exactly what's happening right now with the development of what's called the Kindred Bit, or AI agent or personal assistant. Kindred Bit is a personal intelligence model that's created using your own data. But don't worry, it's all privacy-based and anonymized. This isn't about invading your privacy, it's about empowering you with the AI that truly understands you. Now, why is this important, you ask? Well, while big tech is focused on creating one super intelligent AI brain, the real revolution is in creating billions of personal AIs for billions of connected humans. It's not about one AI to rule them all, but about AI that serves each of us individually. Here's where it gets really exciting. These personal AI models can be used to create AI agents that interact with the world on our behalf. Imagine an AI version of your favorite celebrity or influencer that fans can interact with 24/7, even when the real person is on tour or taking a break or on the toilet. But it's not just about entertainment. These AI agents could revolutionize how we work, learn, and interact with technology. They could help bring economic benefits to billions of people, especially in developing areas where a sustainable daily income could make a huge difference. Now, as we move forward in this AI-driven world, it's crucial that we focus on key principles: privacy, trust, user control, and ethical governance. We need to ensure that these powerful tools benefit humanity as a whole. Now, what do you think about personal AI models and agents? How would you use your own AI assistant? Let me know in the comments below. First up on today's AI assets that we deem as very important as we go on to the future of not only the fourth and fifth industrial revolution, but also we understand the trend is your friend, and these specific assets will definitely benefit because of the trend of AI agents, LLM models. So we understand that the AI market is going to only continue to grow as we approach the 2030 agenda. So these assets here will benefit significantly because of that. Now, first up on the list is HyperGPT, HGPT. Currently almost at about 3 cents currently. Now, here we are on the HyperGPT website. Now, power up Web3 with artificial intelligence. Now, this is the AI marketplace for all AI solutions and seamless SDK where you can access integrated AI solutions. Now, this is backed by Microsoft, Google for startups, BNB Chain, and Ton. Now, they have here the world's first AI solutions marketplace. So this is where you would go to find all things AI, certain apps and services that you can utilize to help your life. Personally, I believe these AI protocols or AI services and solutions are only going to help make our lives easier. I think people have the wrong idea in regards to AI because we've been programmed to believe it's all evil. But no, they don't want you to focus on what is going to truly impact your life and what you can truly invest in and own to benefit your life. Not just yours, but the generations to come after you. So here we are, Hyper NFT. This is one-click minting for hassle-free NFT creation, and they have an AI-based advertisement model. This is completed with the access to all AI APIs in one single account. That's a beautiful thing to have. And we come here to the marketplace. Now, of course, you can see that they have the HDB token is a versatile utility token that drives HyperGPT platform adoption and growth. They have a staking program. They also have DAO voting. So you can stake and vote, which is a beautiful thing. And you can purchase this asset on all of these exchanges here. Some centralized, some decentralized in regard to PancakeSwap. Now, I want to come over here to this marketplace, ladies and gentlemen, where you can see many different AI apps for many different various things. If you're in health, if you're in medical, if you're looking for voice changing, if you're looking for AI assistants to help you create documents, Otter AI is one that I personally use. And, you know, the list goes on. You have OpenAI. This is all stuff on this marketplace that you can get access to and discover new AI products, services, or tools that you can use. Now, very extensive. As you can see, the screen continues to go on and on with different AI applications. Now, the most beautiful thing is that the AI market, the industry at large, is being invested in heavily. We're talking about hundreds of millions and billions of dollars being thrown at the AI world. Now, knowing where we are on the overall growth of AI being in about 18 months, can you imagine if you get into an asset that helps facilitate these things early on the crypto blockchain side, what that can do for the growth of your portfolio? We're talking about all kinds of things. It can do wonders. Look at this. The list goes on and on. So I highly recommend you come here and see what this is all about. But what really turned me on to this, they also have new arrivals upcoming. You can go on the website and see this. But what really turned me on to this was that Microsoft partnership. And me, I had to go investigate truth on my own terms so that I can actually pinpoint the 6 degrees of separation and see if this is really what I think it is. And I come here to the official Microsoft LinkedIn page. Microsoft's powerful infrastructure contributes to bringing HyperGPT's innovative AI solutions to a wider audience. Learn more about HyperGPT, a platform that delivers AI solutions and an integrated SDK by integrating APIs of popular and new AI solutions with the unique SDK it has developed here. I want to go into that article, which I showed you. I clicked on it, but it brings you here. Basically, it's going to talk about some of this in this article, which also is partnered with Google for startups. But we're thrilled to announce that HyperGPT has been selected to join the esteemed Google for Startups Cloud. This achievement stands as a monumental milestone for HyperGPT, unlocking a plethora of invaluable resources, community backing, and technological advancements. HyperGPT is granted access to a myriad of exclusive benefits customized for Web3 projects and startups, including invitation-only access to exclusive Google Cloud events, VIP privileges at Google Cloud events hosted during global Web3 conferences, ensuring HyperGPT stays abreast of the latest industry developments, early access to state-of-the-art products, and immersive learning labs focused on Web3, enriching HyperGPT's expertise and capacity to deliver impactful solutions. Now, HyperGPT now has the opportunity to apply for exclusive grants from industry leaders such as Aptos, Cello, Flow, the HBAR Foundation, NEAR, and Solana Foundation. Also, additional program benefits beyond the Web3 specific perks. HyperGPT gains access to a wealth of other invaluable resources, including, as you can see here, Google Cloud customer care enhanced support credits, training, business support and offers, etc. This is just showing you Google has wrapped their arms around them. But I want to highlight this Microsoft one, and I'm not sure why it's not coming up, but we're going to get it. It's taking me right back to that LinkedIn post. Nonetheless, it's just taking me back to this website. There was an article. I don't know why I'm not able to get my hands on it currently, but you see, this is real. You've seen it by the Microsoft themselves LinkedIn page. So learn more about HyperGPT, a platform that delivers AI solutions and an integrated SDK by integrating APIs of popular new and AI solutions with the unique SDK developed. Okay, so know it's real. That's one of the reasons why I'm talking about it here, and why I'm also putting my money where my mouth is, because I know Microsoft is building heavily within the AI realm. Also, with them being behind Open AI, it makes sense for me to cross my T's, dot my I's, and scoop up something while it's still cheap. So that's Hyper GPT. They have the Hyper XPad, the store, SDK, NFT, and the raffle. I believe there's a lot of popular solutions and apps that are going to be coming out, and I think a Hyper GPT is going to help bring them to the masses in regarding being a main place where people can go to find the best apps and solutions in all of crypto and Web3. So HyperGPT is here, partnered with Google, also Microsoft, to name a few. Now, let's move on to another asset here I talked about before, Oasis Rose. Many people don't know that this is an AI type of crypto asset, and it's a smart privacy for web and AI. Better dApps require smarter privacy. Build a better Web3 on the only confidential EVM in production. Now, this is not even complete yet, but considering where we are and where we're going, this is prime for why we hold this asset currently for a play of short-term, mid-term, long-term. I personally believe this will go up to a couple dollars. Now, pioneering Web3 and AI privacy. You have smart privacy. Oasis empowers Web3 with smart privacy, customizable cross-chain privacy that is 100% private, 100% public, or anywhere in between. You got that hybrid model, which is important for EVM chains, or blockchains, period, especially for enterprises that are going to use blockchain. They want to have the option to keep some stuff private and keep some things public. Now, scalable and secure, high throughput, low gas fees, and unrivaled security are central to the Oasis Network's modular architecture. Interoperable by design, first-in-class Solidity tools, and enable devs to build confidential dApps with ease. Oasis Sapphire, and add privacy to existing dApps on any EVM chain. Oasis Privacy Layer. Now you have the layered architecture. Our network has two main architectural components, the consensus layer and the paradigm layer. The consensus layer is a scalable, high throughput, secure proof-of-stake network run by a decentralized set of validator nodes. Paradigm layer, also known as compute layer, hosts many unparalleled runtimes, each representing a replicated compute environment with shared state. The separation of the consensus layer and the paradigm layer enables scalability, multiple paradigms to process transactions in parallel, and versatility. Anyone can develop and build their own paradigm. Now, you can always find out more. Let's see some of the solutions. Oasis Sapphire, privacy layer, the Rose wallet, the Explorer, Nexus, and then the Rose unwrapper and or wrapper. You can stake here. You can also partner. But I like to always go and see the partner page. So if you're somebody who's looking to partner, you can find out the use cases, which is DeFi, gaming, account abstraction, onboarding, and social, DAOs and secret ballots, a DID and NFT. Oasis Sapphire is the first and only confidential EVM in production. Remember that. Bringing customizable privacy to Web3. We need privacy. So these are case study examples. Ocean, it's working with Ocean, Illuminex. For Ocean's predictor, Oasis Sapphire's privacy features are essential to protect the integrity of its users. This could also be one that I think could possibly merge with the ASI. We have Illuminex, Crust Files. You could browse all the use cases, but the partnerships that they have, Predictor, Delta, Synther, Illuminex, Apelion, Pixel Realm, Protocol, Monster Labs, Thorn. Looks can always be deceiving, but they can also cause you not to see the magnitude of something unless you see something like this: an official partnership. Oasis Labs partners with Meta to assess fairness for its AI models using cutting-edge privacy technologies. Now, when I saw this, it only made me extremely bullish. You understand why? Because it's real. Partner studies. Meta AI, a first-of-its-kind initiative enabling inclusiveness, and fairness for Meta's AI models using cutting-edge privacy technologies. This is the importance of blockchain to help enhance and advance current technology to take us to the land of the new technology, which is right now, the future. So it says, we are excited to announce our partnership with Meta and the launch of a platform to assess fairness in Meta's products while protecting people's privacy. As Meta's technology partner, Oasis Labs built the platform that uses secure multi-partner computation, SMPC, to safeguard information as Meta asks users on Instagram to take a survey in which they can voluntarily share their race or ethnicity. The project will advance fairness measurement in AI models, which will positively impact the lives of individuals across the globe and benefit society as a whole. So they're already telling you where this one's going. This first-of-its-kind platform will play a major role in an initiative that is an important step towards identifying whether an AI model is fair and allowing for appropriate mitigation. How the platform will assess fairness in AI models. Meta's responsible AI, Instagram equity, and civil rights teams are introducing an off-platform survey to people who use Instagram. Users will be asked to share their race and or ethnicity on a voluntary basis. The data collected by the third-party survey provider will be shared with third-party facilitators in a way such that the user's survey responses cannot be learned by either the facilitators or Meta. The measurement is then computed by the facilitators using encrypted prediction data from AI models that are cryptographically shared by Meta with the combined de-identified results from each facilitator reconstituted into aggregate fairness measurement results by Meta. The cryptographic techniques used by the platform enable Meta to measure for bias and fairness while providing individuals that contribute sensitive demographic measurement data high levels of privacy protection. Now you can read more about this, but the vision of global inclusiveness and fairness in AI models for the benefit of millions. This is something that hasn't been solved, but has to, because you have a lot of AIs that are still keeping up some of the same trends in regards to race and profiling in the AI world. So we have to fix that, and Oasis is going to help with that. So Meta and Oasis share a common vision around responsible AI and responsible use of data. The cryptographic techniques being employed on the platform at the scale at which they will be used is unprecedented. This is the beginning of a new journey. We seek to ensure AI at Meta benefits people and society, which requires deep collaboration both internally and externally across a diverse set of teams, said Esteban Arcachal, Director of Responsible AI at Meta. The secure multi-party compute methodology is a privacy-focused approach developed in partnership with Oasis Labs, enables crucial measurement work on fairness while keeping people's privacy at the forefront by adapting well-established privacy-preserving methods. Together with Meta, we will explore further privacy-preserving approaches for more complex bias studies. Given the desire is to reach billions of people everywhere in the world, we hope to explore novel uses of emerging Web3 technologies underpinned by blockchain networks. The goal is to provide further global accessibility, auditability, and transparency around conducting and gathering survey data and its use and measurement. Now, this right here just tells you what it is. The Don Song, founder of Oasis, said, "We're excited to be the technology partner with Meta on this groundbreaking initiative to assess fairness in AI models, which protecting users' privacy using cutting-edge cryptographic techniques. This is an unprecedented use of these techniques for a large-scale measurement of AI model fairness in the real world. We look forward to working with Meta to build towards responsible AI and responsible data use for a fairer and more inclusive society. Now, that's just bullish, extremely bullish, and it gets even more bullish. The bullishness just keeps on continuing. Now, I have two more assets that I want to go over. AgentLayer is an AI agent blockchain, autonomous AI agent network for the world. So many people have expressed a desire for democratic governance for systematically important AIs that we will depend on. Cryptographic and blockchain-based techniques could be a path toward doing that. That's from Vitalik Buterin. So this is a platform, a blockchain that's being created. Understanding AgentLayer is an innovative project that aims to create a decentralized, permissionless, secure, and reliable network for autonomous AI agents to collaborate and coordinate. AgentLayer leverages the power of generative AI driven by large language models, LLMs, to enable AI agents to make decisions and complete tasks autonomously with minimal human intervention. AgentLayer envisions a network of vertical and personalized AI agents that can transform various industries and professions, turbocharge humans' creative potential and productivity, and make artificial intelligence friends instead of foes to humanity. AgentLayer also proposes a new AI currency to boost a promising AI-powered agent economy on top of blockchain. So they have Agent X, Agent OS, Agent Network. You can learn more about AgentLayer, and they also have the Agent Token. This is already live, as I've already mentioned. They have staking, and there's some resources that you can come to, their white paper and documentation. So it's something that can definitely make money, considering how early it is and considering where we're moving to in regard to AI agents. Now, Marlin Pond, this has been around for some time, ladies and gentlemen. It has been around exactly since 2020 and still here, still kicking. Marlin is scalable coprocessors for decentralized compute, the GPU for on-chain execution. Marlin allows computations to be delegated to off-chain microservices with proofs and attestations verified on-chain. You can accelerate the execution, reduce the cost, and prevent IP theft. With Marlin, we know one size doesn't fit all, so you can easily express your trust, cost, and performance preferences. They have the Oyster off-chain service powered by PICKZ, the Calypso, the ZK proof of marketplace. They also have chain abstraction, modular and integrated, scalable. So these things have the ability to run trustless servers off-chain and enable transparency and on-chain execution. Also, it's an easy plug-and-play coprocessors on any chain via relay contract and offer users a uniquely integrated experience. Also, it's scalable. You have auto scaling and fault tolerance, allow applications to seamlessly cater to increasing workloads without failing. You can write code using familiar languages and frameworks. Build, compute, verify. This is the vast ecosystem. So you see they have Bitcoin Layer 2, gateways, AI, DeFi, validators, and blockchain, and see who Marlin is helping. But most importantly, I want to also show you the backers real quick so you can just get bullish on that. But we have Finance Labs, Electric Capital, IOSG, DHVC, Finbushy, Continue, Limnyscape, Kinetic, XRP, Arrington, Binance Labs. Big time investors. But let's come back to the ecosystem that this is helping facilitate. So this is all, but let's just look at the AI. You see many different AI companies here, some traditional, some crypto. You have DePIN, Utu, DePIN, find out what's about that. We have gaming, just the cradles. We have identity, blockchain, DeFi, DEXs, gateways, identity, MEV, NFTs, oracles, restaking, storage, tokenized domains, validators on the network, wallets, and zero knowledge. So if you explore and look into these a little bit deeper, I feel like you'll understand a little bit more why these assets. And I wanted to show you a little bit of the library from Oyster, which is something one should always go and do. But they've shown and made a lot of different partnerships over the years, and they'll continue to do so over time. But Marlin, ticker symbol Pond, is essentially something that people may not be aware of. And to sum it up, it's a high performance network infrastructure for modern decentralized networks. So you need something like a Marlin to help facilitate with all of these changes happening in many different sectors. You need certain protocols or networks to help offload a certain task and certain things that could be happening in other areas, right? And protocols like Marlin will serve their purpose. So these are all assets that I wanted to highlight and talk about, but I also wanted to just show you guys the importance of it and why and how you can benefit going forward. But remember, always do your own research. And over here on Bigger Than Race, I'm Brando Murphy. I want to thank you and always remind you to investigate truth on your own terms.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment to let us know your thoughts. Do follow us on Instagram at Brando Murphy Official and Twitter at Brando Murphy and at Bigger Than Race for the latest BTR updates. Investigate truth on your own terms.